In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site name on Wix. Whether you're rebranding, made a spelling error, or just want a fresh start, updating your site name is a relatively straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get started on making that change. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser and head over to wix.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, make sure you've logged into your account. If you're not logged in, just click on sign in at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you're already signed in, your dashboard will be readily available. From your dashboard, locate the site you wish to change the name of. You might see a list of sites if you have more than one. Find the correct site by looking at the thumbnails or the current names. Once you've identified the right site, click on it. This is your gateway to start making edits. Now, after you've clicked on your site, you'll find yourself in the site dashboard. Look around until you spot the button that says Edit Business Info. It's usually located in the site management area, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's all new to you. Once you see it, go ahead and click on Edit Business Info. This is your key to unlocking the basics of your site details. With the business information open, you'll see a variety of fields where different pieces of information about your site are stored. Focus on the field that's labeled something similar to site name. This is where you get to type in your new updated site name. Take a moment to double check your spelling and make sure the new name is exactly how you want it to appear. Remember, clarity is key here because this is how your site will identify itself to your visitors. Finally, after entering the new site name, you'll need to save your changes. Look for a Save button, often highlighted to ensure it catches your attention. Click it to confirm your new site name. This final step seals the deal and updates your site information. Always check to ensure that the new name is visible and correct. You might want to revisit your site's homepage to review how everything looks with the updated name. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your site name on Wix. This is a fantastic way to keep your brand and online presence aligned with your vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy editing, and see you next time for more tips and tutorials.